Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Zorin OS and Pop OS. Zorin OS and Pop_OS are both Linux distributions based on Ubuntu, but they focus on different things and are made for different types of users. Zorin OS is designed to look and feel like Windows, which makes it perfect for beginners or people switching from Windows for the first time. It has a simple and clean interface, and you can choose between layouts that look like Windows 10, 11 or older, or even older versions. Zorin OS comes with an essential apps already installed, so you don't need to do much after installing it. It also runs well on older computers, and the user's experience is very polished. If you want something easy to use and familiar, Zorin OS is a great choice. Pop_OS, made by System76, is more focused on performance and productivity. It also has a clean design but uses a more modern GNOME-based desktop that's slightly different from regular Ubuntu. Pop OS includes unique features like auto-tailing windows, workspaces, and a great support for dual GPUs, which is useful for creators, developers, and gamers. It's very smooth and well optimized, especially if you're doing multitasking or using your system for work. It doesn't look like Windows, but it's easy to learn. So overall, Zorin OS is better for people who want something simple, user-friendly, and familiar, especially if you're new to Linux. Pop OS is better if you want a fast and productive system with strong multitasking features and good support for gaming or development. If you're a beginner or using an older computer, Zorin OS is the better pick. If you're more focused on performance and modern features, Pop OS will give you more power and speed. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.